Hey fam, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a jumbo Nathan beef hot dog, some grilled onions, some sauerkraut, some jalapeno peppers, some relish. This is neon relish, and some mustard. So what we're going to do is we're just going to fry this up, and then we're going to fry these up. Matter of fact, we're going to fry the vegetables up first. Alright, see you guys over there at the stove. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, we're just going to put a little olive oil in here. Not a lot, just a little bit. Got this on medium. This is a half an onion that I'm putting in here. Alright. Like so. We're going to put these up so they get like sweated out. Just caramelize a little bit. We don't want them all the way caramelized. Alright, I'm just breaking it up right now. Now if you like a lot of onions, then you can put a lot of onions on yours. Me myself, I'm cool with that. Just giving you guys something to work with. I do this all the time, guys. Alright, now if you want, you can take your little black pepper or something, but I ain't gonna put none in mine. You put a little salt in it. I'll probably put a crumb of that on there, just dust, just like so. That's it, nothing more. And we just gonna sweat these out. Alright guys, see you guys in probably about 2-3 minutes. That should be done. See you guys in a minute. Alright fam, I'm back. Now, this is optional, but if you want to put your peppers in there, you can put your peppers in there. Like that. You don't have to have the peppers if you don't want the peppers. I'm telling you, it's going to taste awesome. Super delicious. Right before this gets done, we're going to take our sauerkraut. We're going to put that in there. Guess what? Just warming this up. This is done. Alright, we go ahead and put this out, guys. And what we're doing some hot dogs. Alright, okay guys, I'm back. Now what I did with these hot dogs, I just cut them in half. Just like so. We're just gonna fry them on both sides. For this, I'm gonna put a little weight on mine and let them go. We're gonna cook those like 2 minutes on each side, which is medium low, and then I'll show you what we put these all together. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, we're just gonna turn these over. Yep, Nathan jumbo beef fried hot dog. Nice little cook. That one needs to cook a little longer. What I'll do is I'll put this over here, fry this way. This bad boy over there. Wait a minute. tell you, these are off the chain. Try it, make it at home. I did get these hot dogs, particular ones at Costco. Not Costco, my fault, it was at Sam's Club. They were like $10 a pack for like almost $10. So, but they work. Believe me in the fish. Alright guys, I'm going to let that finish cooking and then we'll dress it up. Okay fam, there it is right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in here with our mustard first. We're going to come in here with some relish. About a teaspoon of that. Okay, I'll get that sufficient enough. Alright. Now, we'll come in here with our onions and peppers and sauerkraut. Although my kids probably pick them all. That's how that looks. Cook that a little bit for you guys. Sorry about my air conditioning. It is kind of warm up in here. Okay. All right. I'll see you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, there it is. Nathan Jumble fried hot dog. Alright, I know I just showed it to you over there. That's how it looks up here. Again, you guys definitely need to try this out because it's off the chain. No doubt about it. I've been doing this for a long time. So guys, if you like this video, give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And that's right. Hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love. I'm out of here.